Ka Shillong All Faith Forum SAFF kabadan lang baroh ki jait niam na ka jylla mynta ka sngi ka shitarik Lber hajar pusau kala Pynlong ka Jingialang Bishop House Haba kren shekilar pathai khubor hadien balawai ka Jingialang naka liang President Bishop Purely Lyngdoh ula kyrpad ya baroh ki seng pyrthei Pynlong kiba husiar haba ki jingkren khamtam mynta balajan ka election khnang bakanumdan ka Jingiapait Iapra ni ka Jingiasngew Iapher Niam Ulakan turu yaki nong shong bakim day ban syunget yaki ki baki yo sngaw naki message ki baki yo namar bakila ban longru ki khubor thok bat ki bala ban yalam bakla.
This is a meeting of Saff, Shillong All Faith Forum. We're meeting here this evening as an urgent meeting for the very reason that we all are aware of. You all know, the whole state and the whole region are aware of, is that the situation in the country, the situation in Northeast India, and particularly the situation in Assam and in Meghalaya has come to the stage where we faith leaders need to stand up and speak out and call upon our people to be aware, to be alert of the situation. Saff, as you all know, was formed in 2020, not only for normal times where we meet together for certain matters. Saff has come in use, especially in times like this, when we need the community to understand, to be aware, to be alert of the situations that we are in. India is a great country, a land of all major religions, a land where people used to live together, grow together, tolerate one another, accept one another. India today is proud of its development. Just a few days back, we hear in the news that the growth GDP of India is 8.4, which is one of the best in India. The whole world is talking about India. But on the other hand, it's unfortunate that this wind of hatred, of divisions, of intolerance, of suppression and oppression is blowing all over the country. Northeast India used to be a peaceful region so far, in spite of the fact that hundreds of different tribes, different communities, different languages and customs and practices exist in Northeast India. But of late, we all know what is happening in Manipur and what is happening in Assam now. And sadly and very alarmingly, we see the signs that even Meghalaya is being touched now in the borders area. So as Saff, members of different faiths are in Saff. We have the Hindus, we have Muslims, we have the Sikhs, we have the Buddhists, we have Senraj, we have Senkasi, almost all the faith communities in Shillong, in Meghalaya, are in Saff. So as a forum, this is what we want to convey to all our people in the state of Meghalaya. And even to Assam, for all of us, different faith communities, to come together as Saff. Saff is a testimony. Saff is an example of how we can come together with understanding, with love, with tolerance. We are together. We speak with one voice. It should be possible even in other states and other places. So this is our message to our people in the state and to our neighboring states as well. Elections are coming, and there are fringe elements who would like to take advantage of the situation, and they want to provoke different communities. We want to appeal, certain appeals we want to make to our state as well as to other states. Number one, we appeal to the government of Meghalaya and to the government of Assam. They should continue to talk, find out the truth, and not just talk, take steps. Take steps to prevent any untoward incident. We appeal to political parties because these are all connected to politics, to the elections coming. We appeal to all political parties. Kindly be mindful of what you speak, and how you speak, and what you do. Not to create divisions and hatred among the people. And we appeal to all citizens of Meghalaya and Assam to be alert, to be mindful, to be careful of these elements that try to bring about, to create disturbances, misunderstandings, divisions among people for political mileage. These can be connected to politics. So to our own people in Meghalaya, we appeal. Be careful of what you hear, of the news, of the messages you receive from here and there. Many may be false, may be fake news. So we should not succumb to this kind of news. We want peace, we want harmony in times of normal times and in times of distress. And even as elections are coming, everyone is excited. We should try our best to maintain peace and harmony among all people. So that's all. State of peace and harmony, and we should all try. We call upon all residents, citizens of our state, Meghalaya, especially in the border areas, to be calm, cool, maintain peace and harmony with one another.